so I'm going to report clouds. So Globe Observer, I start the app, hit clouds. I'm on a 28-day streak now, reporting. You can report more than one per day, of course, but I always report at least one. So I'm going to do a new cloud observation. Here's my latitude and longitude and the map. If you have Wi-Fi, you'll get the map. Right now I see clouds. The choice is clear sky or obscured, it's clouds. Fewer than 10%. If I look around, look at the sky. Okay, it's fewer than 10, 10 to 25, 25 to 50, 50 to 90, or 90 to 100. I think we're at 50 to 90. If the sky isn't overcast, it also asks for what shade of blue the sky is. Okay, manual cloud identification, or you can use the guided cloud identification wizard. I'm going to do it manually. I look around, I don't see contrails, that's condensation trails. Short-lived, persistent, or non-spreading, persistent spreading. Well, I don't see any contrails, so no contrails. High-level clouds, cirrus, cirrocumulus, cirrostratus. No high level. Mid-level, no. Altostratus, altocumulus. It has pictures to help guide you on identifying the kinds of clouds there are, but I say no mid-level. What I'm seeing here, I think, are stratocumulus and cumulus clouds. I do see some puffy clouds and, well, maybe not stratocumulus, no layering. I also didn't see nimbostratus or cumulonimbus clouds. Okay, and that's going to make up the whole 50 to 90% of my view. Are they opaque, transparent, translucent, or transparent? Opaque, translucent, transparent. I'd say these are opaque. I can't see through them. And next, is there snow and ice on the ground? No. Is there standing water? No. Is it muddy? Yes, we had a storm a few days ago, so it's still muddy. Dry ground? No. Leaves on trees? That tree has leaves still, so leaves. Raining or snowing? No. Next. Now I take pictures of the sky. I have to turn it to a landscape mode in order to take pictures, and when I do that, there's a circle in the middle of the screen. I have to move the direction south up into the circle, and then it takes the picture automatically. So let me go up and down to the ground and east and west and north. Okay, so now you see here I've gotten all 6 pictures, north, south, east, west, up and down. So I can say done, and I can review the pictures, and if there's any that I wanted to do over, I can tap on it and start it over, do it again, and I can add captions. But I'll just go ahead and hit finish, and I can send my data. I can also review it and edit observations. I can share with others, start a new cloud observation, and I can look through my record of all the observations I've done so far. I'm going to send data. Here it's got today's date and time. I could still edit it by tapping the pencil or delete it by tapping this little trash can. But it's being sent right now. Submissions 1 of 1. I already sent one earlier today, but this is my second one. Success, your observation has been successfully sent to Globe. So, okay. That's how that works. Now, one of the other things you can do with this when you're doing the cloud observation is you can check when the satellite is actually coming over. And they say it's more useful for them if the cloud observation you submit happens at the same time that the satellite is passing over. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on the little satellite symbol here. It's checking for updates. While observations are useful at any time, your ground reports can help verify satellite measurements if you take your observations during a satellite overpass. You may be able to match to NOAA 20 or Terra at the overpass times listed below. Or geostationary satellites, which typically view an entire hemisphere simultaneously, so no need to match a specific overpass. All right, so it's not necessary, but it does help with the specific satellites if you make your observation when they're passing over. So here's Let me update this. Alright, I had to wait for it to update. So now I've got today, February 7th, Terra satellite will pass by at 9:34 p.m. Well, it's after dark, so that's not going to be that useful. But here's tomorrow, 2:07 a.m., 9:34 a.m. Okay, so the Terra satellite will be passing over tomorrow, February 8th, that's Saturday, at 9:34 a.m. So I could try to plan to make my observation at this time that it's passing over. 1:28 p.m. the NOAA 20 satellite will be passing over. So I have two satellites tomorrow, one in the morning and one in early afternoon, that could be passing over, and I can make observations at the same time the satellite is there. Thanks for watching. Now be sure to like and subscribe.